In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a perfect passport-size photo in Photoshop, step by step. By the end, you'll know how to take any photo and quickly turn it into a professional-looking passport image, ready for printing or digital use. Let's get started. First things first, open up Photoshop on your computer. If you're launching it for the first time, don't worry. As soon as it's up and running, you'll see your workspace. Photoshop is a powerful tool. But for today's task, we're going to keep things really simple and straightforward. Next, we need to bring your photo into Photoshop. Just go to File at the top left of your screen, click Open, and then find your photo wherever it's saved, maybe on your desktop, in your downloads, or on an external USB. If you're selecting a photo, make sure it's clear, well-lit, and ideally taken against a plain background. Once you've selected the file, click Open, and it will appear right in the Photoshop workspace, ready for editing. Now, it's time to use the crop tool, which is an essential feature in Photoshop for reshaping images. Take a look near the top left toolbar. You'll see an icon that looks like two angled lines overlapping. That's your crop tool. Click on it. As soon as you do, you'll notice handles around your photo, letting you adjust the crop area. But before you start resizing, let's set the exact dimensions for a passport photo. At the top of your screen, you'll see options for the crop tool. Look for a setting that says WXHX resolution. Click on this. This is where you enter the specific size requirements for passport photos, so everything is accurate and standardized. Type in the width, 3.5 cm, then the height, 4.5 cm. Finally, the resolution, 300 pixels per inch, which is crucial for high-quality prints. Think of resolution like the amount of detail in your photo. Setting it to 300 ensures your final passport image is crisp and professional, not blurry or pixelated. Even if you're not printing right away, always use this setting for the best results. Now comes the most important part, selecting the best position for your crop. You'll want to make sure the subject's face is centered and that the head fits comfortably within the frame, with a little space above and below as per standard passport requirements. Drag the crop handles to adjust. You can click and hold on the sides or corners of the crop box and move it until you're happy. Take your time on this step. If you're not sure, look up a sample passport photo for reference. You always want the eyes around 2/3 up from the bottom and a neutral expression. Once everything looks good, simply click Done or press Enter. Photoshop will instantly crop your image to the set passport size and resolution. And just like that, you've got a perfectly sized passport photo. You can now save your image by going to File and clicking Save As, choosing either JPEG or PNG format for easy printing or uploading. That's all there is to it. A straightforward way to create a passport-size photo in Photoshop with consistent quality and correct sizing every time. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button. And if you have any questions or if something didn't work as expected, drop your question in the comments below. I always check and reply to help out. And of course, if you want more easy Photoshop guides like this, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and good luck with your passport photo.